Hi, welcome. Simon here. This is a brand new Asus VivoBook. I'll show you the model number. This is the M1407K. Brand new, right still in the box. I'll be opening up the box here and do a fresh Windows setup. I just want to walk you through from start to finish the process of setting up the Windows 11 without logging into Microsoft account. And of course, something that some people would like to have is not to sign into the Microsoft account. They want to be a standalone local user account, and this video is going to walk you through from start to finish. Okay, I just hope that the laptop still has battery, but otherwise I'll be using the adapter to turn on the computer. Hopefully there's still some juice in the battery. Okay, so here's the laptop, and just want to identify the model once again. That is the M1407KA-PS74. All right, so let's see if that is any power. It doesn't seem like the computer has power on it. So let me plug this one in and let's get going with it. Okay. Okay, the charger is in. Press the power button and the light is on. So let's get right into setting up the brand new laptop without logging into Microsoft account. And that way you guys will skip the entire process of doing that. Let me double check one thing. Okay, so when the computer is turning on, we are going to set it up. Oh, by the way, I have a separate video that I did a tear down. Like I took it apart completely, telling you what are the things that can be upgraded, are the things that can be exchanged or change out, replacement stuff like that. So check out that video. I'll link it down right here in the left corner on the side. Or in the description down below. Go please check that video. It's a teardown and upgrade video of this Asus VivoBook model. Okay, come on. I think it's too bright. We should make the then it's too dark. Hopefully you guys still can see it. Okay, so when you turn on the computer, this is where the actual thing that you have to do. You have to press Shift F10. So here's my Shift button. Okay, I have a Shift, and this is the F10. So let me zoom.
To set up your device using a screen reader, turn on narrator by pressing Windows plus Control plus Enter.
So we don't have to do that.
For more accessibility features, press Windows plus U, or select the accessibility icon in the bottom corner.
Okay, she's done talking. So I'm going to press Shift F10, and this command prompt would pops up. Here in the command prompt, I like to type in this code: start ms-cxh local only. Hopefully you guys can see my text. So let me zoom in. That is the code that you need to type in and press enter. It automatically brings you to create local user account. Here I'm going to name what should I name? Owner. If you want to put a password, go ahead and put a password. I don't need a password. I'm going to click next. And here is the Asus information. If you want to agree and connect yourself with it, go ahead and put on your stuff. But other than that, you just got to click next, and that will bring you straight to the Windows 11 local account. So that's pretty much it. It goes straight into the local user account. It doesn't get you the Microsoft sign in. The process is all out the window. So hopefully this is helpful to you. If you find this video is helpful, please go ahead and click on the like button. I really appreciate you for liking the video. If you have any comment, please comment down below. I'll read your comment and let you know. So if you click on settings and it says local account, and that's it. Straightforward. There's no Microsoft account is being signed in, and the account is not. It's a local user account administrator, and this Microsoft sign in is right there if you want to sign in. Thanks for watching. Please smash the like button. Really appreciate it for that. Thanks. Bye now.